That damn dog bit you or your kid. Can you bring a claim, and how so? I'm going to talk to you about that today, about dog bite cases. My name is Mike Bersani of the law firm of Michaels and Smolak, your Central New York personal injury lawyers. Every state, by the way, has different laws regarding how a dog owner is liable or not for dog bites or dog attacks. And in New York State, we have something that's called, in shorthand form, we call it the one free bite rule. It's not exactly a one free bite, but let me explain how it works. In New York State, generally, you have to show that the owner of that dog that bit you or your child knew or should have known that the dog had vicious propensities. In other words, generally that means that the dog had already bitten someone before, but could it also mean that the dog simply demonstrated aggressivity towards others, for example, snarling, showing his teeth, baring his teeth, lunging at people even though he's on a chain, and just generally showed a potential to attack, even if the dog didn't actually attack. But generally, it's a much easier case if we have a prior bite or a prior attack on a child or a person. Now, I keep saying child. Unfortunately, the truth of the matter is that most or many dog bites the victims are children. And there's several reasons for that. But let's not go into that now. If you have something with a case where there may be a dog that bit you or your family, and you're not sure whether the dog showed quote-unquote vicious propensities before, how do you find out? You call me. You call a lawyer. We send out an investigator to check with the neighbors, to check with the postman, the delivery, the mail deliverer, and anyone else who frequented the neighborhood or the home, and we try to find out whether the dog either bit or seemed poised to bite other people in the past. Once you have that, it's a no-brainer in New York because there's strict liability, meaning it's automatic liability on the part of the dog owner. If the dog bit you, and before that the owner knew or should have known of these vicious propensities, you automatically win the case. You don't have to show quote-unquote negligence. It's strict liability. The key is vicious propensities before your bite. We at Michaels and Smolak are skilled and very experienced in proving vicious propensities, prior vicious propensities. So, if you have a dog bite case, someone in your family unfortunately was bit or hurt by a dog, or by the way, by any other aggressive animal, we can help you. Give us a call, free consultation. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for listening.